Welcome to this tutorial on how to download APK files on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. You'll usually find it on the home screen, marked by a gear icon. Scroll down within the menu and find the screen time. Option .next. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, then go to Apps and make sure to select Allow All. After that, go back to the previous menu and tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Select Installing Apps and choose Allow to enable installation. Now, return to your home screen. Open up your preferred browser. In the search bar, type APK Pure and visit their official website. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for the app you want. You'll be given two download options: Download APK and Download from App Store. Tap Download from App Store. Finally, open the Downloads tab, and your selected app will begin installing. Congratulations! You've now successfully downloaded an APK file on your iPhone. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide. Don't forget to like and share, and let us know in the comments if you'd like more tutorials like this one.